Namaste everyone, welcome to Rhythm and Health. My name is Satish. In this video, I am going to guide you through 4 powerful pranayama breathing techniques that can help improve your lung capacity, reduce stress, increase energy and promote overall well-being. Find a comfortable seated position, keep your back straight and relax your shoulders. If you are comfortable, gently close your eyes and practice this pranayama. Otherwise, you can open and do. Remember, breathe comfortably and never force your breath. If you have any health issues, please don't do this practice before consulting your healthcare provider. We are going to do each pranayama for 2 minutes and 20 seconds break in between. Let's start with first pranayama.
Before starting first pranayama, we'll do 3 times breathe in, breathe out. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth. 2. Inhale through nose and out through mouth. And last one, inhale through nose, then exhale through mouth. And relax. Let's start with first pranayama.
Bhastrika Pranayama, also known as the Bellows breath.
This powerful breathing practice helps energize the body, improve lung capacity, and increase oxygen flow. Sit comfortably in Vajrasana or choose any comfortable seated position. Bring your hands into loose fists near your shoulders. With your elbows close to your body, take one normal breath in and breathe out. Keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed and chest open. If you're familiar with this practice, gently close your eyes. If you're learning for the first time, keep your eyes open and follow my demonstration. Let's practice for 2 minutes. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Continue at a steady, comfortable rhythm. Keep the breath active and controlled. Feel your chest expand as you inhale and your abdomen gently contract as you exhale. Stay relaxed through your face and shoulders. Let your breath do the work.
If you're not able to do for 2 minutes, you can break it down for 1 minute.
Keep going. If at any time you feel dizzy, lightheaded, or uncomfortable, stop the practice. Close your eyes if they aren't already closed. Notice the flow of your breath, the freshness in your body, and the alertness in your mind. Breathe naturally and observe the effects of the practice.
Thirty more seconds to go. Great job, friends. We are almost there. 3, 2, 1 and relax. 30 seconds break. After that, we will go for second pranayama.
Bhastrika. Pranayama is a wonderful practice to boost energy, improve respiratory function, and refresh both the body and mind.
Second one, Kapalabhati Pranayama, skull shining cleansing breath.
Kapalabhati Pranayama, also known as the skull shining breath. This traditional yogic cleansing practice helps refresh the mind, improve breathing, and energize the body. Sit comfortably in Vajrasana or any comfortable seated position. Keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed, and gently rest your hands in Dhyana Mudra, one palm placed over the other in your lap. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly as you breathe out. Let's begin together. Take one comfortable inhale through your nose. Exhale, 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 exhale. Maintain a steady rhythm. Continue breathing naturally in between each forceful exhalation. allowing the inhalation to happen naturally between each exhalation. Let the movement come from a gentle contraction of the abdominal muscles. Keep your face, jaw, neck and shoulders relaxed. If at any point you feel dizzy, lightheaded or uncomfortable, stop the practice.
If you're not able to do for 2 minutes, you can break it down for 1 minute. Great job, pets. We are almost there. 3, 2, 1, and relax.
And now, slowly stop. Regular practice of Kapalabhati may help cleanse the respiratory passages, improve concentration, increase energy, and prepare the mind for meditation. Notice the calmness of your breath, the freshness in your mind, and the lightness throughout your body.
Our third pranayama is Anulomaviloma or Nadi Shodhana pranayama.
Anulomaviloma or alternate nostril breathing. This calming breathing practice helps balance the nervous system, improve focus and promote a sense of inner peace. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana, Padmasana or on a chair if needed. Keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed and gently close your eyes. Rest your left hand on your left knee in Gyan Mudra. Bring your right hand into Nasikagra Mudra, folding your index and middle fingers toward the palm. You can assume that victory fingers you have to fold. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Now close the left nostril with your ring finger. Release your thumb and exhale gently through the right nostril.
Let's practice for 2 minutes.
Continue breathing slowly, smoothly, and without any strain. Allow each inhalation to gently expand your chest and let every exhalation relax your body and mind. Keep your breathing quiet, even, and comfortable. Keep your eyes closed and breathe naturally. Notice the calmness of your breath, the relaxation in your body, and the stillness in your mind.
If you're not able to do for 2 minutes, you can break it down for 1 minute.
If you ever feel dizzy or uncomfortable, stop the practice. Return to normal breathing and continue only when you feel comfortable.
Seconds more. Great job, pets. We are almost there. 3, 2, 1, and relax.
Regular practice of Anulom Vilom may help improve breathing efficiency, reduce stress, enhance concentration, and support overall well-being. Now let's practice Bhramari Pranayama, also known as the humming bee breath. This calming breathing technique helps relax the nervous system, reduce stress, improve concentration, and create a deep sense of inner peace. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana open. Bring your hands into Shanmukhi Mudra. Gently close your ears with your thumbs. Rest your index fingers lightly over your eyelids, your middle fingers beside the nose, your ring fingers above the upper lip, and your little fingers below the lower lip. Close your eyes and relax your face. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Now, as you breathe out, make a soft, steady humming sound like a bee. Feel the gentle vibration around your face, throat, and head. Let's practice for 2 minutes. Take a deep breath in and exhale with a long, gentle humming sound. Keep the humming smooth, relaxed, and comfortable. Allow the vibration to calm your mind and relax your entire body. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe naturally and observe the quietness within. Notice the calmness of your breath, the relaxation in your face, and the peaceful feeling throughout your body. If at any point you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, stop the practice.
Seconds more. Keep going. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Rub your palms till it warm. Rub it on your eyes, face, and neck. And relax.
Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for upcoming yoga, wellness, and workout videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.